In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create users in Zoho projects and assign them tasks. Whether you're a team leader delegating work or a small business owner trying to streamline project management, Zoho Projects makes the process intuitive and efficient. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred browser and search for Zoho. Once you're on the search results page, look for the first link, or the one with the clearly recognizable zoho.com in its URL, and click on that. If you already have a Zoho account, you can simply log in using your credentials. If not, no worries at all. You can sign up for an account, which is a quick and straightforward process. After you've logged in, you'll land on the Zoho homepage. From here, look for the Projects app. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Projects section, you'll want to direct your attention to the Users tab. This tab can be found in your main Zoho account dashboard or within a specific project if that's where you prefer to manage your team members. Now, click on that tab and you'll see an option to either Add User or Invite User. Clicking this button will enable you to introduce new team members into your Zoho project space. You'll be prompted to enter the user's email address and name. It's important not to rush through this step. Make sure you've typed everything correctly so the invitation reaches the right person. Next, you'll select the role you want this new user to have. This could vary from an administrator role, which offers extensive access rights, to an employee or contractor role, which may have more restricted permissions. Ideally, you should match roles with each individual's job responsibilities to maintain a secure and organized workflow. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and selected the user's role, go ahead and click Send or Add. This will trigger an invitation email sent directly to the new user. At this point, it's a good idea to inform the recipient to be on the lookout for this email in case it lands in their spam folder. For the user to be officially added to your Zoho account and begin engaging in projects, they'll need to accept this invitation. And there you have it. A new user is part of your Zoho projects team. From here, you can start assigning tasks to them, giving you more time to focus on scaling your business. Thank you for tuning in to learn how to create users in Zoho projects. Stay organized, keep collaborating, and enjoy the seamless management experience Zoho Projects offers.